Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here, we'll demonstrate, guys, what are the symptoms. We'll explain what are the symptoms of bad knock sensors on BMW, guys, 5 Series. Any of you having a BMW 5 Series? Okay, that could be E39 E60 E61, guys. And you're trying to find what are the symptoms of bad knock sensors. Stay with us and we'll cover all of them today, guys. Now, quick introduction to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make, guys, at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Specifically on BMWs, we make close to 400-500 videos. Why we guys do all that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, guys, so we can keep providing that free information to you. Now, if you have another problem, leave a comment below, guys, and when we have time, we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. We are a little bit busy now, but this video right now, it's we're making it because many of you asked about the symptoms on a 5 Series of a bad knock sensor, and if you can drive with one, that is bad. So we have another video that we just made. Now, if you need to buy a new sensor, replacement parts or tools, you can find all these links shared in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So, what we have here, we have, guys, N52 gasoline engine, but even if you have a 4-cylinder gasoline diesel, 6-cylinder gasoline diesel engine, guys, even if you have, guys, a V8 5 Series, procedure is practically the same. This is the N52 engine, guys. We have the intake manifold removed, okay, to get to the knock sensors. If you want to see how to replace knock sensors, we'll have the video on the channel, check it out. But you will need to remove the intake manifold. If you just need help with that, I'll try to put the link to the video in the description of the video below as well. You will need to disconnect your car battery before you start removing the intake manifold, because you're super close, okay, to the engine starter. This is one of the knock sensors, and to the alternator as well. And if you touch, okay, the sensor both with the starter, with the two at the same time, you will have sparks flying. You can catch your car on fire. You can cause damage to electrical components. You can burn the car components, guys. So cause damage to computers. So don't do that, guys. Disconnect the car battery before you start working on your vehicle. Another thing, now, BMWs and modern vehicles, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first, so you minimize the possibility of damaging the electrical system, guys. If you do not know which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first, we have a video and we'll share the link in the description of the video below that explains everything from start to finish. And once you do all that, you get to the knock sensors. Okay, most of the 4 and 6 cylinder engines will have 2 knock sensors, and most of the V8s will have two knock sensors. Some may even have 4, it really depends, but most of them will have 2. What is the purpose of those sensors, guys? Okay, the 6-cylinder engine, the knock sensor 1 is for cylinder 1, 2 and 3, knock sensor 2 is for cylinder 4, 5 and 6. If we have a 4-cylinder engine, the knock sensor 1 will be for cylinder 1 and 2, and the other one will be for 3 and 4. So what it does, okay, that knock sensor detects early detonation, guys, when the fuel, doesn't matter if it's gasoline or diesel, and air is compressed by the piston. It really matters exactly at what time the spark will be ignited, okay. Or if you have a diesel engine, it will actually change the variable timing as well, guys. But if it's not right, what will happen? If it's too early, you will hear a knock. That knock will be sensed by the sensor as a vibration, and it will send a signal to the computer to change the timing or the ignition timing. Then as a result, guys, okay, that needs to be corrected. Otherwise, okay, you can say bye-bye to your engine if you keep driving that way. But the symptoms are, guys, that you can experiencing 90% of the time. Okay, you may have just one symptom, you may have multiple ones. Engine light will be on for knock sensor, hesitation, jerking, okay, poor acceleration, and very bad fuel economy. You can notice that your car will start using more fuel than it should because of a knock sensor, because the engine is not running as efficiently and as smooth as it should. So that's, guys, okay, number 1 reason, okay, fuel economy and engine light, and then you may notice the other ones as well. It will not make your car not to start, but you get the idea. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure something like that out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.